Okay, so this is basically the first video on That's Textbook. This channel is going to be absolutely textbook. So today we are improvising on how to make apple juice slime. Let's do this! Okay, so our first ingredient is going to be PVA glue. It's pretty good, so let's just pour all this. Do you hear that? That's a good PVA glue sound. That's good. That's a good PVA glue sound. That's textbook. Hopefully at home, you guys, if you try this, you've probably got better equipment. Like I said, this is improvising it. It may not work. Okay, so next we got our apple juice. So let's just put a bit in there. That will be good. Okay, so our final ingredient is our fairy platinum. So just squeeze one thing in. Bubbles. So now we got our mighty fork. I'm just gonna mix that up. And hopefully it's turn into slime. And if we need any more of any other ingredients, then we can just add them. Apart from the glue, we use all that. Okay, so it's not exactly slimy. Let's just keep on mixing and see what happens. Okay, so now this is the ending result. After mixing for a long time, we got this. It's pretty slimy actually. Look at that. So this is apple juice slime. Wow, that's like really nice. Okay, so this is what happens when you add some apple juice, fairy platinum and kids PVA glue together. It makes a quite nice substance. If you do get a chance to try this, I would suggest doing it. It is pretty fun. This isn't exactly slime. It's close. We didn't have. I don't think we have enough glue, or maybe it was the apple juice. But comment down below if you guys can actually do this and make it work. But this is kind of an improvising video. So anyway, this is apple juice slime. I'm gonna taste a bit. Okay. So I think that's probably gonna be the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe. There'll be more stuff like this, except everything will work, hopefully, next time. There'll be loads more other cool videos coming up. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay with That's Textbook. And that is Textbook. See you guys later.